Look, you got all this in the corner.
En la esquina, Michael, por favor, aquí mira. Porque no va a alcanzar ahí. No, al revés. ¿Cómo? Así.
Here. And then, you know, again, get most of it up and then you can blow it.
Él mismo te lo va a decir. ¿No? Él mismo te lo va a decir. ¿Qué?
This is the same thickness as the last one.
Yeah, this is just going to be,
Keep it
like,
wet.
yeah, you don't want to smack it. You just want to be
Yeah, roll it, yeah.
Where it moves, but you're not flooding.
to where you know it's not hard to see, but where you know that you see the stipple. You're still going to have texture. You don't want it to look like a bar room.
You didn't want to follow behind. You just keep working out that way. See that? Or just kind of twists his arm a little bit, so the puddle's getting left up there and not back here. Try to explain that.
Lo que tenés. Ah, espera. We're gonna have to mix a little bit less than what we did. Lo que quiere que aprendan es el hombre a manejar el squeegee ese que está manejando. Kevin, no sé si fue usted. ¿Sabes dónde están haciendo esto? El sound down.
Yo no soy tu...
So it looks a lot better than it did after it was just bubbles, huh?
Yeah, right?
No me importa los bulbos cuando...
¿Ya no se ve?
Sí.
Es que si va a tapar con caja negra ahora.
You have to pull it out of there.
Ni las marcas que tenía antes el piso de bala, le decimos usted.
Pero cuando lo haga,
Ahí se pega
It's
polvo.
that same place that you
Cuando lo
right
hagas,
there.
The low spot?
You keep cutting the corner.
Yeah, I
Just,
know.
lo que tenía aquí, aunque te lo tapo, no importa.
Just pull it out.
Digo para que
Yeah,
sepa.
there you go.
No importa que tenga burbuja.
No importa que tenga las burbujas,